Welcome back, everybody. Thanks for watching Show and Tell. I'm Peter Salib. Let's talk about charging our phones today. All right, who's still using a cable? I can't see your hands, but I know a lot of you are. And I'm sure you've experienced the frustration of the cable tips not fitting in as well, not locking as well, falling out. You have to have it in this exact position so you get the fast charge. Otherwise, you get the slow charge. All right, if that's your problem, you got to switch over to wireless charging. It's been around for a while. It's been refined. There's a standards now called Qi. Qi is the wireless charging standard used by practically every company that makes a wireless charging device, so it's compatible with practically all the devices. So today we are going to be looking at a company called SoloQi. They have this wonderful bundle called the 360 charging bundle. It's going to be a combination of two of their products that are very popular. The first is the SoloQi Pro. So this is going to be a battery pack, right? But it also has a kickstand. So you could stand it up, all right, and just attach your phone right on it, charge it up, right, wherever you are. So just bam, right, and then you can keep going, watching whatever you're doing, anything you want. You could flip it up, okay, and now I can walk around, charge my phone, right, and all one-handed use. I'm not attached to a cable. I don't look like an Android. So this is a really easy way to just keep your phone charged while you're on the go. And of course, if you don't have wireless charging or your friend doesn't and you want to give them some juice, it has the USB port, of course. The second part to the SoloQi 360 bundle is the SoloQi X. And you're going to get two of these units in the bundle. So these are going to be going for 2 amps, which is good for fast charging. It has the sticky bottom. Okay, so what you do is you just peel it off, and the reason you have two of them is to set one for your work desk or at home, and then the other one for your car. So in your car, you could obviously use the sticky, or you could actually untwist the cap here and then reveal the vent clip part. So you could attach it right into your vent of your car's, air vent. So this is the SoloQi bundle. It's really easy to use. It comes with the little sticky pads, the magnetic pads, so you actually can, have the magnetic because it doesn't work, right away with any phone if you're not made out of steel or something. So you just attach that to your phone, to the back, and you can turn any phone into a magnetic mounting phone. So that's the way it works. This is the SoloQi 360 bundle. Okay, it is $170 currently on sale. Regularly, it is $340, so get it while it's hot rather than while it's not. All right, folks, thanks for watching. This is Show and Tell. I'm Peter Salib. Have a good day.